Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back, dear children, in your online mathematics class. Today I am going to continue the same exercise, that is exercise 17a. This is question number 12. Find the value of x in each case. Now see this figure very carefully. This is the exterior angle and these are the opposite angle. So here we can use the exterior angle property, right? So the sum of these two angles is equals to this angle, right? So here we write 3x plus 20 plus 4x is equals to 10x minus 16. Which property is this? Exterior angle property. Right? Now we collect the variables one side, 3x plus 4x minus 10x, and the numbers one side. 3x plus 4x, 7x minus 10x, and here we get minus 36. Here we get minus 3x is equals to minus 36. So x is equals to minus minus cancel out, 3 1 times, 3 2 times. X is equals to 12. Now see this figure. Here we have 6x, here we have 9x, and here we have 9x. As you can see that here we can find out this value here. How? Because these two angles are forming linear pair, right? So let's name this triangle ABC. Okay. Now this angle ABC. Angle ABC is what? 180 minus 9x. Linear pair. They are forming linear pair, right? So this angle is what? This angle is 180 minus 9x. Okay? This angle. Now you can see that this is the exterior angle and these are the opposite two angles, right? So what we can do here, we use here which property? Exterior angle property. So the sum of these two angles is equals to this one. So 6x plus 180 minus 9x is equals to 9x. This is exterior angle property. Okay. Now we collect the variables one side and the numbers one side. When we move this 180 this side, its sign changes to negative. So here we get this one cancel out. No. This is also minus 9. So here we get 6x minus 18x is equals to minus 180 degree. And here we get minus 12x is equals to minus 180 degree. So x is equals to minus 180 divided by minus 12. So here we get x is equals to 15. Okay, now see this figure. Here you can see that this line and this line are parallel lines. Okay. This angle is 40 and this angle is x. Okay. Now here, if you see that this is parallel, right? And this is parallel. Okay. And this is transversal, right? So this angle is equals to this one. Why? Alternate angle. Okay. So this angle CBD is equals to angle ACB. Why? They are alternate angle. So angle ACB is equals to what? Angle ACB is equals to 40 degree. Okay, this angle is 40 degree. Now these two sides are equal and this angle is x. So we'll find this angle. What would be this angle? These two angles are forming linear pair, right? So this angle CAB is what? Angle CAB is equals to 180 degree minus x because they are forming linear pair. Okay. So here we get this angle 180 minus x. Okay. Now these two sides are equal, right? These two sides are equal. This angle is 180 minus x. So this angle would also be 180 minus x degrees, right? Because angles opposite equal side of an isosceles triangles are equal. These two sides are equal. It means the opposite angle of these two sides are also equal. Okay. Now see, this is the exterior angle and the opposite of to this angle is this one and this one, right? So the sum of these two angles is equals to x. So now we apply the exterior angle property. 180 minus x plus 40 degree is equals to x. Exterior angle property. We are using these two angles because and this is the exterior angle. So now again group the numbers one side. So we transfer this x this side. 180 plus 40 is equals to x plus x. 180 plus 40, 220 degree is equals to 2x, and x is equals to 220 divided by 2. That means x is equals to 110 degree. Question number 14. Find the unknown angles in the following figure. See this figure. Here you can see that these two sides are equal and this angle is x. It means this angle would also be x because this side is equals to this side. So the angle opposite to these two sides are also equal, right? Now you can see in this triangle. In this triangle you can see this angle x plus x. This angle is 2x, right? This angle is x and this angle is 63. So first we use angle sum property. X plus 2x. X plus 2x plus 63 degree is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So here we get 3x is equals to 180 degree minus 63 degree. That means 3x is equals to 117 degree. X is equals to 117 degree divided by 3. So x is equals to 39 degree. So here we get the value of x. Now you can see that these two lines are parallel. See, these two lines are parallel and this is transversal, right? So this angle is equals to this angle because they are alternate angle. So angle y is equals to angle x. Alternate angle. and angle x is 39, so angle y is also equals to 39 degree. Okay, now look at this figure. This angle is 32 degree, this angle is x, and this angle is y. Now this side is equals to this side, right? It means this angle is 32, so this angle will also be equals to 32 because these two sides are equal. Similarly, these two sides are equal. This angle is x, so this angle would also be equals to x. Okay, now we'll find out this angle. As you can see here that both the angles are forming linear pair. So we find the angle ADC. So what angle ADC is equals to what? 180 degree minus x, linear pair. Okay, so this angle is equals to what? 180 degree minus x. Now see this triangle. In this triangle we will apply angle sum property. Okay, so in triangle ADC 180 degree minus x plus 32 degree plus 32 degree is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Okay, now from here we'll find out the value of x. So here we get minus x. This 180, when we transfer this 180 this side, what happens? Here we get 64. 180 minus 180. So here we get 0. Right? Minus x plus 64 degrees equals to 0. Now we transfer this x this side. So here we get the value of x 64 degree. Okay, so the angle x is equals to how much? Angle x is equals to 64 degree. It means these two angles is equals to 64 degree. Now in this triangle, we apply angle sum property here and we'll find out the value of y from here. So in triangle DBC, 64 plus 64 plus y. 64 degree plus y is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. So here we get 128 degree plus y is equals to 180 degree. So here we get y is equals to 180 degree minus 128. So here we get the value of y 52 degree. Your exercise is finished. In the next class, we will do the next exercise. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.